Today we're going to be talking about leveraging social media to connect with corporate recruiters. I'm Jeff Altman. I'm nicknamed the Big Game Hunter. I was given that nickname when I would do recruiting. I would hunt down leaders in staff organizations, did that for a long time, filled a lot of positions. Now I provide no BS career advice and coaching globally. That can relate to a job search, hiring more effectively, managing and leading better, career transitions, career development, a holistic look at you and your career. So I'm your ally, supporting you throughout your career and helping you be more effective, faster, so you don't have to learn through trial and error. Now, we're going to be talking about some strategies for using social to build relationships with corporate recruiters and increase your chances of landing a job. So the first thing is to start by identifying recruiters and hiring managers who work at firms you want to target. You can find them on LinkedIn by searching for the company name and looking at the profiles of people who work there. Once you've identified them, you can start following them, engaging with their content, sharing their posts, comment on their updates, and reaching out to them directly to introduce yourself. These days on LinkedIn, if someone's set up with creator mode, you can follow them first and then connect with them. Or you can just follow them, but messaging is limited that way. So follow them. LinkedIn will give them an opportunity to connect with you, and you can also reach out to connect with them directly. So not that complicated. If you're not sure who the right person is, you'll figure it out. You can reach out to a few of the wrong people and then find your way over to the right person. Sometimes starting on the company profile is the way to go. Connecting with people with larger followings, like me, often opens up a lot of avenues to connect with people that I'm connected with. They become your second level connections, and you can at least find them faster. Number two is using Twitter, which is a great place to build relationships with corporate recruiters because it's more conversational than LinkedIn. You can follow them, you can follow hiring managers at the companies you're interested in there, and use Twitter to engage with them by commenting on their tweets, retweeting them, and starting conversations. Again, no arguing, just conversation. Third is build a professional brand online. Be locatable, make yourself be able to be found. Recruiters are more likely to be interested in people who have a strong online presence. Create a website or a blog to showcase your knowledge, experience, accomplishments, and thought process. And use social to promote your website and build a following. Next is, to round out your personality, use Instagram to showcase it. It's a visual platform that allows you to share your personality and interests and show things that you're excited about, and create a visual presentation for who you are, which can help recruiters get a better sense of what it's like to work with you. And finally, this is not a quick strategy, obviously. This is a strategy, it's not tactics. And thus, you have to be consistent and persistent, because after all, building relationships takes time and effort. And don't give up when you don't hear back from them right away. Keep sharing content, engaging with recruiters, building your personal brand in ways that make you noticeable in a good way and desirable for what it is that they look for. Eventually, you'll get their attention and increase your chances of landing a role. And thus, to sum up, leveraging social to connect with recruiters is an effective way to increase your chances of landing a role. You can use LinkedIn, Twitter, even Instagram, and a personal website to showcase your abilities and build relationships with recruiters. It does take time, so be consistent and persistent. Keep following their updates, engage with their content, and build your personal brand in relation to them. I hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. Visit my website, thebiggamehunter.us. There's a ton in the blog that can help you. Plus, you can schedule time for a free discovery call or coaching session. Find out about my courses, books, and guides. Again, a lot there to help. I also want to mention, to connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/in/thebiggamehunter. Oh, at the website, if you've got a question for me, there's a blue button that says schedule. Trusted Advisor Services is for when you have questions for me. It's a paid service. Book a half hour of time. Be happy to answer your questions. Also, if you're interested in a longer term relationship, not sure whether you want to hire me, you can schedule a free discovery call, or if you're certain, you can book a paid coaching session with me. I'd love to help. Have a terrific day, and most importantly, be great.